Assalamu alaikum KG2 students. Hope so you all are fine. Today our topic is circle the bigger number. KG2 students, we are going to circle the bigger number. So first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. The first number is 1. The second number is 3. The third number is 4. And the last number is 2. KG2 students, do you know which one is the bigger number? 4 is the bigger number. Now we will circle the number 4 like this. Okay students, come to the next row. The first number is 2. The second number is 1. The third number is 5. And the last number is 3. So which one is the bigger number? 5 is the bigger number. So we will circle the number 5 like this.